I was just gonna put music, but you know what? Let me just put this down. I'm trying to catch up on videos while I'm getting ready. I want to do like a fall look, but I want to do something grayish, like gray, smoky kind of. I feel like y'all already over my cranberries and my oranges and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with this Pure palette. This is the Creator palette, and it's been loved and loved. Looks like that. So I think I'm gonna take this color for the front, actually for the whole lid. And again, I'm going in with my sponges. I've already used this part to do my foundation. Actually, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna grab that color. So I've already put some concealer on my lid. You can use lid primer, whatever you want. I don't need all that. I'm just gonna put it towards the front. Actually, I'm gonna put it like up until the middle, like that. And I find that using my sponge, everything just comes out a lot nicer. I have some powder in case of fallout. My face is already done. You guys know I do my face first, so it's not baking, it's for fallout. So yeah, that is the first color that I'm using. Gonna go in with this palette over here, and I want to take I'm gonna take this brown, as I just need something dark, and I'm gonna put it right on the end here. Kind of like to smoke it out, even though the front is a little dark already. I just want to soften it a little. I feel like I have something here. Like it didn't cover the whole lid, so okay. So that's how that's looking. And I'm gonna tap in some of the brown just on the end on both sides. Why is that here again? Am I bugging? We're gonna keep going. I was gonna wipe it off, but we're gonna keep going. So now I need a black, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna take this one in the corner that has the shimmers with the sponge. I'm gonna take that color. I'm gonna take my handy dandy price tag and just put that right in the end. Like that. I'm gonna take that brown again and just kind of like blend it. I don't like it. So I'm going to take the gold with another sponge, put it right in the front. And I'm gonna take this, blend it in. Like that. Now, let me take some of that brown under here. Like that. I'm gonna take my black liner and I'm going to do a line really close to the lashes. Like that. Let me see something. Now I'm going to take my jumbo liner. I'm going to tight line and waterline. Then I'm going to do my wing liner. I have been loving this super fine Essence liner because it's long and so precise. So I like to use the same line that I cut with the board and just bring it over. Like that. So simple fix. I'm gonna take I'm going to take a brush. That's already yellow. And I'm gonna press in this gold just a little bit because I want it to be very potent, because it is very dark, you know, and any of the color underneath that might come through, you know. So that's that. We're gonna do the brows. I don't know if you want to see that, but so this is the Tachibana pencil. It's the eyebrow power pencil. So you get your spoolie on one end, you know, you just comb up your hairs. I ain't got many, you know, I'm from Chola Nation. And then your color. So let's see if I can stay in focus. So I like to just outline my brows, and I like them to go up and down. I don't like them round. I don't like them boxed, like straight across. I like them to go up and down, just to give the illusion that my eyes ain't hooded. And then I do a couple of hairs, just up. Because I don't have hairs. Like that. Now, I'm going to take... I'll use the same one. I have a few pencils, different shades of black and brown, but we'll stick with this one. Right up here, that's the top. And I like to go down and up because I feel like these hairs grow down. Okay. Now I'm gonna comb it up. I'm gonna take some Q-tips and clean it off. Take a little bit of clear powder and dust. So I'm actually dusting off the powder I already had there, and then anything that could have fallen. Okay, so that's the look. And after I spray, then I'll do my lashes. And then just tap. And that's the look. I know I'm constantly doing yellows, I'm constantly doing these kind of colors, but it's what I like. It's what I like. I'm just gonna put a little more gold on this one because it doesn't look as bright as this one. Now, I've been loving this Colossal, so we're gonna use this. But the lady at the CVS said that the trick to removing your mascara easily is to go in with a regular mascara that's not waterproof underneath. So that's what we're gonna do. And this one is just the Essence Lash Princess. That's that. Now we're gonna go in with Chew. like that. So it started off a little darker. I wasn't happy with it, so I added the yellow. It's makeup. You can fix it, you can add to it, you can take it off. So I wouldn't be afraid of having these kind of colors. Cafecito. So yeah, I think I want a little more blush, or maybe just a little more highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the Rude Cosmetics. This is their baked blush. I'm gonna take my little sponge and add it there. And then I'm going to go in with this color. This is from, I don't remember who this is from, but it's their single pods. I want to say it's Friends of I don't know what. So I'm just gonna take it and that's that. My eyes are watering. I'm gonna take a brownish nude color. Line the lips. I'm not gonna put the color in yet because I'm still drinking coffee. I'm gonna have breakfast, but I kind of wanted you to get an idea of what this looks like. That dry yet, but it's fine. So that is the look. Little gold on the outside, little smokiness towards the end. My wing liner, mascara, little blush, little highlight, little bit of everything. And then when I get ready to leave, I probably am just gonna do like a gloss. This is called Sweetheart, and this is from LA Girls. It looks like this. So I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair because this is driving me insane. This back here is driving me crazy. I think I'm gonna curl it just so I can have something on both sides covering this. But so I curled my hair. I did a big wand and a small wand because I don't know, I don't feel like it looks curled, but yeah, that's the look. So I curled my hair as you saw, and then I didn't like it, so I pinned it all up. But I wanted to give you a close-up of the makeup look. Nice smoky look. It's gold and gray and black, but I love how it turned out. This is gonna be my outfit. I'm gonna add an image now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short get ready with me. You can actually see that sometimes when I'm getting ready I make a bunch of mistakes. It's makeup, just clean it up and go. So if you're new here and you made it this far, please consider hitting that subscribe button, joining the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.